Your car dealerships. For 99% of the vehicles out there, there's no car shortage. Your car is special. And I'm here. I'm going to beat you every opportunity that I get. I am going to take your profit and make it zero. You won't even know it's me. You won't even know I'm coming. And when it's over, enjoy the flat. Folks, there are so many cars around. There's this, you take these cars, you want to whittle it down. I'll help you find the right one. Just that one. That's what I'm going to do. There are so many cars out there and available. They can't give the electric cars away. There are so many trucks out there. Now, they're talking, oh, there's a strike. There's not right now, is there? There are cars, and I am coming. Enjoy the flats, gentlemen and ladies, but you're usually not as big of jerks as the guys and the non-binary folks. I don't know any business, I'm sure there are, but I'm coming for you too. All of you. No profit. You're going to get haggled. Beatthestealership.com. Beatthestealership.com. That's what I do. My name is Stu. I made this up. How about you?